Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a ThorFire TK4A. Now this also runs on 4AA, and I want to thank again Banggood.com for sending me this light for review. And so let's go ahead and get started right away and open up the box, see what's in. Okay. User manual. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, as you can see, it has turbo 1100 lumens, high is 600 lumens, 200 on medium, and 30 lumens on low. Moonlight is 1 lumen, and it has strobe. Looks like the beam range is 460 meters, and it has a 1 meter drop resistance, and it is waterproof IPX rating. Okay, so we're looking at that. Set that down. Comes with a couple extra O-rings and a lanyard. And here's the light. Wow, this is really nice. And this button style and this body style is reminding me of the Claris G30. Very similar in design. And that smooth reflector, and it's pretty deep, comes to about right here. And this is running the XPL LED by Cree. Smooth reflector. Very nice design on this. Very nice finish on this. Got some good knurling there, as well as on the tail switch, or tail cap, I'm sorry. And this is just really, really nice finishing on this. This is really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up and show you what cells I'm running. Okay, we're going to go ahead and show you the switch. We're going to go ahead and show you the tail cap, and this does spin. Nice heavy duty springs there. Threads are well greased. That's really well. And we're going to go ahead and show you the batteries I'm running are the Amazon Basics. These are 2100 milliamps. And I'm getting about 2300 milliamps on these. And it does take 4 of them. And this does have an indicator inside to how they go in the flashlight. That always helps. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put this back together. Okay, now that we got that put back together, let's go ahead and go through the UI. And the UI is straightforward. You're going to press and turn that on. Starts on low, medium, high, turbo, and that is really bright. That is just incredibly bright. And now you can go ahead and double click this, get you strobe, and then goes back to the regular UI. Okay, now when you do notice, that's very similar to, like I was saying, Claris G30, and it has that LED there, and that is also a battery indicator. It will turn green, yellow when it's about 50%, and red you're about 25% or low, or lower, sorry, and you basically are recommended to go ahead and charge your batteries at that time. So this is just a great feel about this. It's got a nice style. So I think we should go ahead and take this outside and see how it does in the wilderness. Okay, it is dark out here. We have the ThorFire and sort of make that water spout there, usually making about 7 feet in front of you. We're going to go to the next level. Usually making the Tree of Life. Remember, this is running on only 4 AA batteries. Even at this light output, it's doing real well. I'm going to go to the next level. And that's getting a lot better. Nice spill. Making the Tree of Life with ease. And it is making the school. "25 feet out." And we're going to go ahead and check the fence line here. Not too bad. Okay. We're going to go to the next level. Now that's doing really, really good. And this is doing really, really good. Easily making the school. And the other diamond out there. Doing very nice. Across the field with ease. And it is making it across the park. Very nice. Okay. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots, because this thing did an outstanding job. For the price of this and the light output that this can give you, this is an all-around great deal. I'm going to include this light as well in my battle of the 4 AA configurated lights. And this is just incredible. 1100 lumens on turbo. That's a lot of light coming from this little light. And I just can't say anything more about it. It's just perfect light. I'm giving it a perfect 10. I'm really liking ThorFire. This is my actual second ThorFire light. And they are very good quality. And they are very affordable. So again, I just want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this light for review. Now, if you're interested in this light, you can go ahead and look for my discount code right up on the screen. And you can pick up this from Banggood.com and it'll help you save some money. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe to my videos. That way I can bring more of these light packages to you in the future. Thanks again for watching. Take care.